Failed water drop. Welcome back to another episode of TCG SMP. I've been busy off camera. Look at this. I built another building. Oh my goodness. I am loving this so far. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite builds that I've ever made. And I haven't even started, basically. I want to do a couple more houses down below here. It is going to get tough with making the houses. Well, I can't really point. Oh, wait. Yes, I can. Right there. I want to build a house probably down there. Maybe something over here. I want to have platforms. I want to have farm platforms as well. So I think that's going to be kind of cool, but I think those will be closer to the end because I want to kind of suspend them. Am I talking to the whole server? I just muted myself. I want to kind of suspend them from these platforms. So if I have like another house here, for example, then I'll have a rope coming down from here, a rope coming down for that other platform, multiple ropes probably, and then the floating platform here with the farm. I think that'll be really, really cool. We'll see if I can pull it off. But anyway, here is the second house. I haven't put anything in either of these houses just yet, but I have been toying with a bunch of decor items. All these beautiful items right here. We've got a cooking pot. We've got hanging plant shelves. You know what? Here, let me get all this stuff. I mean, some of these I didn't craft. Oh, dang it. I'm already out of space. I have 2 shields. Why do I have 2 shields? Where is my... I guess it could go in the armor area. Cobwebs I obviously didn't craft. Oh, I could put this card pack away as well. We've got a few card packs to open as well. A rare, a legendary, uncommon, and common. Okay, so let me get those other 2 items and we're going to go back up there and we're going to see what they look like because I want to decorate the outside as much as the inside. I'm going for a very, very cluttered looking build. I want tons of lore in this build. And I got a little bit of area here on the platform here and the platform there. Obviously, I'm not going to put all these things down. I'm going to wait until I have a few more buildings. And of course, we can always build more. Let's land right here. I do want to start attaching like hot air balloon looking things. Oh, yeah, this is another thing that I was thinking. I might start using just these guys as railings because they fit really nice. Here's the inside of the other place. Not much. And here's the inside of this place, which should look familiar because I haven't done anything to it. Okay, so hanging plant shelves. So does this go like here? Oh, that's kind of cool, but it is in the way. Let me break that. Let me see if I can put that like right there. No, that will, yep, that's 1 block lower. That might be cool right there, right? Hanging plant shelves, sure. That might even be an indoor thing, but hey, who knows? We'll have a little seat as well. Let's say you lived in this house. You want to definitely, like, can I sit on it? Can I actually? That's a bummer. That's a bum. A bum as well. We'll be sitting on it. But I think a little, maybe not that exact spot, though. We'll see. I do have some shelves as well. Or not shelves, sorry, benches, which probably would work better as what I'm trying to do here. Oh, goodness. Can I not get back down here now? Yes, I can sit on it. Look at that. What a beautiful view I'd have if I was living in this little home. All right, so that is staying there. Fantastic. Now, what can we put next to it that'll make it look a little bit more homey? There we go. Nothing too crazy. Just a little cozy entrance to this place. I did put another pot. 2 pots over there, left that place the same, but I think this looks kind of nice. I have another hanging plant, but I was thinking maybe not another one here, unless I can hang it somewhere here. Like, could I hang it from there? Maybe not. That's not exactly where I wanted it. Maybe we'll save this one for another build, because I do like the idea of a lot of hanging plants. Oh, this place is looking so nice. I got to put some railings up here. So, let's see. Let's get down here. Ooh, there are a couple things that I wanted to build. So, there's balloons from the Immersive Engineering mod that they kind of just float up in the air. And I think that'll look really nice. Treated wood slab. That's going to be tough. I think I have to start creating creosote oil. So I have to start building like a bottling machine? Really? A casting table. Creosote. Well, yeah, I need creosote oil. Here we go. The coke oven. Yeah. So by, I guess, cooking wood, you get creosote oil. So I think I'm going to have to start working on that. I also wanted to, let me think here. I think what I want to do is have the fencing on the outside like this, because then I think I can break that. I can. Okay, good. Let me get over. See, this makes more sense because then I can round it around a corner. If I was putting it on the inside, I couldn't actually make that corner happen. So this little house is going to have a different fence than that little house, and that is totally fine. It does look a little silly that it's floating out at the side. You know what? Maybe. Oh, no. Not good. Not good. How do I get up there now? Can I? Dang it. I don't think. Oh, I have 2 blocks that I could use. Perfect. Okay. We'll break those blocks in a second. But first, I said get out. I will put these on the inside. So only that one over there is kind of facing outside. Can I still turn it to make it look a little bit more legit? No, not you. No, not really. Oh my goodness, there's a corner block. Hold on. Can I just do that then? Oh, there's a of course there's a corner block. Why wouldn't there be a corner block? I'm ridiculous for not even thinking about it. Now, do we like this all the same stuff? You know what? I'm going to put another little plant right here. I think that plant's so adorable it has to be seen. I could save it for another building, but I won't. Do we like it that it's all the same material and stuff? Right? Or do we want to change it up? I think it's fine to have that one all the same material, but then have ones like how I have the rope here, just to keep things kind of varied. So from here, I'm thinking we might have to have a staircase that hugs the cliffside here, and then eventually comes out to another building under there. Maybe not that long of a staircase. Maybe the building is right here, sort of splitting the space in between. I don't want it to be directly under here, so kind of splitting the space. And plus, we have this little platform here, so maybe we bump this house a little bit out because we have a natural support there. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, I want to go make those balloons. So it looks like the coke oven is going to be necessary for a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to need 27 coke bricks. 27 coke bricks. And then I think I right-click that little spot right there with the engineer's hammer. Actually, speaking of which, I need to make an engineer's hammer. Engineer's hammer. Here we go. We need 2 sticks, 2 iron, and a string. Not a problem at all. 2 iron is here, and 2 sticks. Why do I have the steel rod in my inventory? I don't need a steel rod. 2 sticks right here. So let's go ahead and build engineer's hammer. Yay! Oh, look at that. I even made an advancement. Okay, so now we have one of those. I've got to get the coke bricks. Coke oven. Coke oven. So I need coke bricks, and that is made with, oh goodness. Okay, so I need brick, clay, sandstone, roughly. Ash brick would work too. Okay, looks like we got to look for, maybe we got to do some deep diving in here. I'm going to look, this is the wrong vehicle. I'm going to look for something in this direction. I don't really want to like do any digging. Oh, wait a minute. I said, wait a minute. I need to take a shovel with me because I don't even have one. Do I have enough? 27. Is that the exact amount? 27. That is the exact amount I need. That is amazing. Let me sleep real quick. It's just me and Skadge today. Just me and Skadge. I don't know where to put it. So here's the thing. I think what I'm going to do is eventually, if I have the space, I'd like to like make specific buildings for things in my build, but I don't have the space right now because I only have 2 buildings. So I think I'm going to put it up here next to all the seeds, or the what was I looking for? Like episode 1? Next to the flax. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so I have the bricks. So I'm guessing it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 3 by 3. And I think it's not supposed to be hollow inside. Perfect. Okay, so now if I right click, hey, look at that. We made a thing. Now I put something in here, I get something there, and then I get something there. I think it's just coal, and then I get coal coke, or something. And then I get the creosote. Fantastic. All this for balloons, really. And the fun part is I don't even know if I'll like those balloons. I don't even know if they'll go good with the build. I just want to get them and see what they look like. Got a hopper up there with a few extra bits of coal. Look at all that creosote oil. Do I do this? Yes. Okay, so now we have a bucket of creosote oil. But guess what? We need steel as well. So now what I'm going to do, I should have put the entrance or the hole on this side so I could put the hole on this side. But we'll do them back to back. Not a big deal. So now we got to make a blast furnace. Is that what we're doing here? I think it's called a blast furnace, even though there is a vanilla version of a blast furnace. This one makes steel. So we're going to go like this. Beautiful. Yeah, crude blast furnace. That's what it's called. Fantastic. So now we put, I think we just put iron in here, and then we get steel. So let me go get a bunch of iron and then start making some steel. Now that we have the creosote oil, we can make treated wood planks. Very nice. So 8 of them. Oh, I don't have my little sawmill thing. Is it easy to make a sawmill? Because I have it up there, up at the build site, where sawmills would be. Oh, it's not called a sawmill, is it? It's a saw. There it is. It's called a saw. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll make a second one. The saw doesn't cut the treated wood anyway, so we couldn't. I made one, but we couldn't even use it. Okay, where's the balloon now? There it is. 2 balloons. So that's what they look like, huh? Can I break them? Yes, I can. Do they not float? They're balloons. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so now let me try to make the... Oh, do I have steel yet? I got to go up and get the steel. 8 of them. Structural cable connector. So now I have that. Do I have... yes, flax. Okay, so flax, I believe, is just vertical line. Okay, so we have 63 rope. Now, this is going to be... I know it doesn't seem like a lot right now. Oh, these are bigger than I thought. But I think this is going to add a lot of aesthetic pleasantry. Oh, I can't? Interesting. Wait a minute. Is this the right... Oh, this is supplementaries. No, I need the rope from Immersive Engineering. Rope. There's 3 kind. There it is. Hemp rope coil. Oh, I need industrial hemp fiber and a stick or a tree. So how do I make industrial hemp fiber? A garden cloche? Really? Water? Oh, is that the only way to make it? How do I make a garden cloche? I need treated wood planks, an iron mechanical component, an incandescent light bulb, which I can't make unless I have... Oh, boy. But I do have one of these. I do have an engineer's workbench. Hold on a second. See, this is all stuff that I want to build, or I want to move. Engineer's workbench. I have 8 of them, in fact. I want to move all this stuff to up there where my base is. But I can't right now because there's no buildings. Okay, so this thing. So I've got to build, I've got to get glass. What was it again? Ah, boy. Paper and copper. Was the, oh, wait, I needed the blueprint, the engineer's blueprint. Do I have it? It's in, what is this? Super special blueprint. Ace arc furnace electrodes. We've got common projectiles, specialized projectiles, arc furnace electrodes, arc furnace electrodes, arc furnace electrodes, common projectiles, arc furnace electrodes, and common projectiles. So what do I need? Crafting components. How do I make this? Okay. That's easy enough. I can do that. Let's try this again. Aha. So actually, will it tell you? Like if I wanted an incandescent light bulb. Oh, it says. Interesting. So I could just do glass, copper, and what was it? Paper. Oh, it's full glass. For some reason, I thought it was glass panes. Oh, I'm an idiot. Idiot. I've only got 2 full glass, but that's okay. All right. We've got 6 incandescent light. Can I put them down? No. Okay, cool. Wait, what did we need these for again? Right, the garden cloche. 4 copper plates, the light bulb. Not copper plates, iron plates. Dang it. Okay, and now we can make that little tiny thing right there. Boom. And then we got the glass cooking in here. Can I make a garden cloche now? Oh, there's a jar there. Actually, I'd like to make a jar. Oh, that's a lot of glass for a jar. Never mind. We'll worry about it later. There's the garden cloche. And boom, garden cloche. Now, this thing is it has to be powered. Now, I realize, you know what? The whole reason I'm making the garden cloche was to grow the hemp fibers, but I think I can just grow the hemp fibers the good old-fashioned way by farming them. So I'm going to get some hemp seeds, I'm going to grow them, and then I'm going to start diving into the basic power, I guess a basic power introduction, especially for me, because I don't have any power in this place. I'm thinking wind power and possibly some water power at first, and then we'll move on to different things. But it's going to be the whole reason that I'm going to be making power in this area now is for this garden cloche, which I now realize that I probably don't even need. I probably could just plant these seeds and they'll grow, but we'll find out. Let's break out, 2 rows here? Let's break out 2 rows. Maybe we'll break out 3 rows. Yeah, let's do 3 rows, and then we'll plant these seeds. If I've got my calculations correctly, I should have just enough seeds, maybe a little left over even. 2 left over. Nice. Okay, good stuff. You guys, oh wow. Did that thing grow already? It is. Oh, does this grow fast? Seems like it. Anyway, let's try to get some power going for this, the garden cloche. I think I need to make a windmill to start. In order for this to work, I am going to need, okay, let's make the windmill. Boom, windmill is done. I think I made this lamp post or a post. It's a wooden post. I'm going to put the windmill on the post. I don't know if that's going to work, so we might have to build an actual pillar for the windmill. Sure. Then I'm going to need one of these guys, a kinetic dynamo, to actually generate the power. So in order to do that, I have these components. I do not have a copper coil block, which I need. LV wire coil, which is copper wire surrounding a stick. And to get copper wire, I need engineer's wire cutters and copper plates, which I hammer down with an engineer's hammer. Luckily, or unluckily, I guess luckily, I made some copper plates earlier by mistake, so I know I have some of those. I now need the wire cutters. There they are. Boom. So now, can I just do this? Bam, 4 of those. I'm going to need a lot more copper plates, I realized. Here, let's make a bunch of them, because I feel like we're going to need a bunch. Boom. 63 copper plates. Our hammer's almost broken. We're going to put half of those in here. Then I feel like we're going to need a ton of copper wire anyway, so let's cut all those down to copper wire. Now we have 35 of those. Can I make the coil thing now? Yes, I need sticks, which I have the treated sticks. I don't want to use the treated sticks. I want to use the regular sticks. So let's put the regular sticks here. And now we're going to surround the regular sticks. Oh, we have 32. Very, very nice. Now, I think we can actually make that iron ingot surrounded by the wire stuff. And we have right here, there it is, the copper coil block. And now we can make the kinetic dynamo, which, wait a minute, did I just toss that? I tossed an empty bucket. Okay. Did I have one here already? No, I didn't. I have a turntable, which I don't know what that does yet. So we have the kinetic dynamo now. Let's see if we can actually set up. Oh, it's nighttime. Maybe I'll sleep first. It's dangerous up there. Good and sleep. Too many people on the server. Not enough people required, or not enough people able to sleep. Okay, let's try this. I feel like this is not going to work. Oh, it does work. Now, oh, that's the perfect position, too. Now we put the windmill on. Hello. Does it start spinning automatically? It does. Awesome. So now we've got some energy. Oh, I don't think we have energy there yet. I think we need to put like a LV, whatchamacallit? Is it an LV wire relay? Or wire connector? I think that's for connecting wires. I think this is for relays. So, oh, terracotta. Do I even have terracotta? That is the question. I think it actually is the wire connector. So is this thing like making power yet? Probably not. Can I oh, here's a question now. Here's a question that I might have to do a little bit of digging. Can I power this thing directly? Or do I need some sort of intermediary. Let's see, can I do this? Linking from... Oh, I can't. There we go. Is it powered? Hey, it's powering up. That's on. Birds on a wire. Look at this. There's going to be wires all over the space. I'm starting to think that these red roofs... Oh, it's way over here. I'm not going to make it over there. I'm starting to think that the red roofs would actually look better if they were replaced with treated wood planks. Then it would all kind of have the same aesthetic feel. And the quartz, maybe I swap out a few of the quartz blocks for some bone blocks. I think that might be cool too. Okay, we're not done here yet though, because this thing now, it is generating electricity. The other thing it needs is water. So there are barrels. I think it's called here it is, metal barrel. I think that's what it is. You fill it with water. There's a lot of barrels. My goodness. There's another one, a fluid barrel. That's engineer's decor. Interesting. So if I fill up the metal barrel with water, will it automatically suck the water into the thing, or the cannon barrel? Iron sheet metal. My goodness. So I got I need a compressor to make these? Maybe we'll just do a pump. There is a fluid pump. If I am not mistaken, right here, fluid pump. So I need iron plate, which again, I thought you could just smash them with your hammer and then it'd make iron plates. Can I not do that? I have to go check on that. But either way, we make a fluid pump. We make a fluid pipes, more iron plate stuff. Okay. Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, so I was right. And then you need pipes, fluid pipes, I think they're called. Fluid pipe, not pop, pipe. Here we go. Fluid pipe, engineers decor, ad astra, fluid pipe, immersive engineering. Oh yeah, it's also included in the recipe for it. So that's all I need to do, and then set up. I mean, I guess I could have set it up over here, but it is kind of set up for the back here. So what we'll do now, go ahead and make a little bit of a, I guess an infinite source of water. This is the ugliest setup ever, and I apologize for that. This is temporary, I promise. So we'll put water down here. Do I have... Oh, there's water everywhere. What am I talking about? So we'll put water down there. Actually, this might not... No, it should work still. It should work still. So I'll put the fluid pump here. Then we'll have the... Oh, I think I have to power the pump as well. There's the fluid pump. Now, can I turn it around? Aha. So I think this is how it works. Now we use the pipe. There we go. Fluid pump to the pipe. It's clearly not pumping any fluid in here yet. I do think, does power go to the top here? It does. So I think what I need is a relay from there to somewhere else. This is all a learning process. So we'll put the relay. I don't even know if I can I put a relay on here? Boop. I can. Okay, let's make that a little bit prettier. So we'll put 2 of these. Make it 3. And then we'll pop the relay on top. Now, I believe if I right-click, perfect. Okay, so let's grab the coil. We'll go coil to here to here. And then from here, we'll go to there. And from here, we'll go to there. Oh, now I have power for both things. I don't think this is on yet. I think you need a lever. I hope, because... Uh-oh. It's not pumping the water. Okay, so I just had it reversed. It's got to be orange here because fluid output. I can't believe, how did I get that messed up? Anyway, it's got water in it now. So now all you got to do is put down a dirt block. Oh, by the way, the things come out here, which is kind of weird. It leads me to believe that this thing is meant to be buried a block, because the chest has to be placed here, or whatever your collection system is, has to be placed there. So I need a chest, I need dirt, and I need some hemp fiber seeds, which I think this is ready to go here. Copper, there it is, industrial hemp fiber. So I did all that for absolutely nothing. I could have just grown it manually. Either way, it was a good learning experience. Dirt on the bottom, industrial hemp seed on top, and it's not Oh, wait, something is happening. Is something happening? Something might be happening. Do I need a switch here too? I might need another lever here to turn this thing on. I figured it out. It was the lever. The redstone lever that was on this thing was actually deactivating the garden cloche. So now I realize what I'm doing wrong. Okay, I need to move it away. What's the best part? Can I put the redstone lever here? No, it's going to do the same thing, isn't it? Well, are we losing water or is this thing still... What the heck was that? Oh, wait a minute. Does this thing actually need to be switched on and off? I don't think it does. I think it's fine. I think it's doing it automatically. Okay, we've got some hemp fiber going. Fantastic. And look at that. We could just recycle the... No, we can't. Oh, I can't put it back in. Why is that? There we go. Oh, it just needs the one. Of course it does. All right. Anyways, we got some industrial hemp fiber going. The reason I want this is because I want to make sails. That's right. Sails. Sails right here. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I only have 3. So in order to make these guys, we need a bunch of industrial hemp fiber, and you only get 1. So it's going to be a little while. And then with those sails, I can actually upgrade this windmill. Now, all of this is kind of redundant because I'm going to have to take it all down and put it in a cool location and stuff near my build. But it's a good spot to learn, and then I'll already have like the upgraded stuff. So it's not bad. I'm not upset about it. What do we got here? More of this beautiful stuff. And then here we've got a bunch of steel ingots. In fact, do we have more of this beautiful coal coke? Let's put that in there. Let's make more steel ingots because I'm going to need a lot of them. Eventually, I think I'm going to need some insulated wires. Eesh. And a fluid tank because I'm already dumping creosote into the environment. Probably not good. All right, I think I have enough of the sails now. I believe it's 8. I think you just right-click them, right? Oh, yeah, up here. Oh, good. Nice. Look at how much faster that's going. Now, that's a much more aesthetically pleasing windmill thingy. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, good. Everything is looking fantastic. We're still making steel. Actually, we need some more coal coke, which I don't have a lot of, actually. This is kind of slow going. There is an upgraded version of the coke oven, but I haven't been able to make it yet. And again, I really need a fluid tank, I think. I really need a fluid tank. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for today's episode. Immersive engineering, diving into immersive engineering. I love this mod. This is a great mod so far, and I've just scratched the surface. There's all kinds of cool stuff that I want to try. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. In the next one, hopefully, I'll have another building made or another structure. I guess a building and a structure are kind of the same thing. Over at the base area, and then, I mean, there's like really cool aircraft. Look at... There's a warship. I want to build a warship. There's a cargo airship. Come on. I'd love to build a cargo airship. A biplane? Absolutely, we need a biplane. So there's lots of... The biplane might actually not fit the theme because I imagine it needs a runway. Make sure your runway is long enough. Yeah, it says it right there. I don't think we'll have room for a runway on unless it's at the very top, but then I think that defeats the purpose of the building on the side of the cliff. I don't want to put anything at the top. The lore will be that something terrible drove the people to build on the side of the cliff here instead of the top because speaking of something terrible, because if they built at the top, they would meet their demise. That's what the lore is going to be and is. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I don't have any arrows. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.